Today's lecture we are going to discuss about data types in C. Each variable in C has an associated data type and every data type has different memories. By definition, we can say the data type specifies the type of data that the variable can store. Basically, the types of data types, we have three types: primary data type, derived data type and user defined data type. In my further videos, we will discuss about derived data type because arrays, function, pointers itself, these are chapters. User defined data type, union, structure, enum, type def itself, these user defined data type are different chapters. So basically here we will discuss about primary data type, that are void, that is valueless, integer, for we use int for that, character data type for which we use char, floating point we use float, double floating point we use double. So these are the, you can say, primary data type or basic data type. Each data type has its different size and range, and these ranges, these size tells us how much numbers we can store, and these size and ranges vary from compiler to compiler. Now we will discuss in detail about primary data type, or you can say basic data type. So these are the keyword used for integer, that is int, keyword used for character, that is char, keyword used for floating point is float, keyword used for double floating point is double, and this is void. These are the sizes of different data type, and these sizes, as I have already told, depends upon machine to machine or compiler to compiler. Integer 2 bytes, char 1 byte, float 4 byte, double 8 byte and void 0 byte. 1 byte is equals to 8 bits. In computer science, the smallest unit is bits. When we know the size of integer, that is 2 bytes, we can calculate the range of integer with the help of size of 2 bytes. I will tell. Range is 2 bytes, 1 byte is equal to 8 bits, 2 bytes is 16 bit. Range means everything in maximum or minimum. So we have written maximum and minimum, and we have used here 16 bits because the size of integer is 2 bytes, that is 16 bits. So for maximum, what can happen? All the bits are on or all the bits are true. We can say all the bits are on and all the bits are true. For minimum, we can say all the bits are off or all the bits are false. Nothing can be minimum like this and nothing can be maximum like this. Now, according to the rule in basic electronics, if the leftmost bit is 1, then negative comes, whatever we will calculate, negative comes before that, and if leftmost bit is 0, positive comes before the number is calculated. So for maximum, we want maximum, so we will make leftmost bit as 0. We will make leftmost bit as 0 to make it positive because it belongs to maximum, and we will make this bit as 1 because nothing is less than negative and it belongs to minimum. So after calculating this, we get the maximum range is 32767. After calculating this, we get the minimum range as minus, because leftmost bit is 1, minus 32768. So similarly, we will calculate the range of character as we have calculated the range of integer with the help of size of a data type. So here the size of character is 1 byte. 1 byte is 8 bits. So maximum, minimum 8 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here also 8 bits. So maximum, what can happen? All the bits are true. Here all the bits are false. So as a rule in basic electronics, we want to make it maximum, so we will make it 0, because if leftmost bit is 1, the answer will come as negative, and in minimum we will make it negative. So after calculating this comes 127, and after calculating this comes minus 128. So likewise for int we have calculated the range of characters. Now after calculating the range of the data type with the help of the size of the data type, we will solve few questions on these topics based on the data type and its size and its range. The link is also given in the description box. Thank you.